Hey everyone, welcome to the next video. Basically, I wouldn't let it lie. The Dora 40k big Adeptus Mechanicus Ordinatus gun. Yeah, I said that was going to be like a slow burn project and I was going to build on it and perhaps it'd be like a monthly update. That's never going to happen. Never going to happen. I don't even know why I say these things to myself. So yeah, I've added more to it. I reckon I'll get it done. It won't be this week. Next week, possibly. Let's just cut to the chase. Let's just look and see. Right. There's been some updates on the railway gun. So, what have we got going on here? So I've got the nice little platform coming on here. Needs some railings to go around the top there. But, you know, that's all good. I think that looks quite nice. Bit of detailing around the top here. I've used some sprue. I'll cut all the knobbly bits off, give it a bit of a sand, and then I'm using that to go around there, just to give it a little bit of extra detail and just tidy it up a little bit. Some bit of diamond plate on there as well. Needs a bit of a trim. But yeah, got some diamond plate on there and on there. Because as I said, I want this to be kind of playable. So, you know, these are going to be areas that people can walk up, go up a ladder. So I've digitally printed some ladders, one there. File for these down below, you know, in my Thingiverse account. So help yourselves to those. So that's that. And then I've made these sections here. So as you can probably see, these are made from bits of Lego or cheapy Lego. There's a close-up on one of them there. Just one of the circular pieces and cut a little bit of slopes. And the ladder, I will fill these. That's where I've cut the little studs off. So I will fill those with some milliput or something similar. Give them a sand. And then I've glued them on. I've used a bit of plastic card just to cover up this detail here on here. So they're on there. Now, while they're on there is because, if I can find them, where are they? There they are. So, started on these in the last video, but now, again, Lego turntable. Pop that on there. Pop that on there. There you go. So I've got the little bogey plates on there now. So that could now go, if it was on rails, it could go around a bend, which is pretty handy. So that is cool. So that's that there. Let's put it that way like that. Of course, as this is a railway gun, you've got the one there. I've got, mate, this one here as well. So they are coming on, the two of them. I've got some finishing off to do. I've got some sanding to do. There's some filing down here. Then I can do the plastic card on there and the on the sprue. I've got a couple more bogey plates for that there. And then, yeah, then I need to work out the wheels. So the wheels will be much like how I did the train. So I'll take these sections here, trim them down. They will be glued up underneath like so. That's probably a better one to show you. It'll be shorter than that. That goes like that. Can you see that? There we go, like that. And then I've got my wheels, which I made a mould of. When I made my train, I made a mould of those, and they essentially go behind that. So it's kind of like that, basically. And then they need like some kind of buffer at the front there. So yeah, it's coming on. I'm starting to like, I'm starting to love this now. I think this is going to be a crazy model. It's going to be a bit of a centerpiece and a bit of a showstopper. I think it's going to look great. The next steps are, obviously, I've got to do the wheels. Finish off some detailing, so I need some more of these buttresses along the back here. These ones here, so yeah, they need finishing off. I may have digitally printed some of those, and I will make the file available to you again. So they need to go on there. They're just curing at the moment. As I said, railing around here, and then we need to start thinking about mounting the actual gun itself. So what's going to happen is these are just snapped together at the moment using the railings as as a bit of just as a temporary fixer. They won't be a lot on here. I need to use all my I need to use all my railings for wheels. So what's going to happen is if this will stop falling apart, that goes on like that. Come on. Yeah, no. Come on. There you go. Yeah. No! Right. I'm going to have to do it the old-fashioned way. Right. Basically, that's going to go there. That's going to go there. That's going to go like that. Okay. Here will be a mounting for the gun. This tube and mini part is a standing for the gun. I'm going to have one of, I'm not sure if I've got one. Oh yeah, one of these at the front, which I think will make it look quite nice and industrial, like so. And then at the very back, there will be one of these to give it that kind of the sort of like the lifting sections that were actually on the door. I don't know if you can see that, but actually on the original Dora, they had like ammunition lifts come up and down, but I want to put that on there as well. I just think it's an integral part of it, looking like a Dora railway gun. So that's that. That's the next stage. So next step is finish off the other side, rummage around for some more Lego bits to make some more bogey plates, finish off the bogey plates with some wheels, get the top platforms on, bit of additional detailing, and then I think we need to work on the gun. So we'll work on the gun, we figure out how wide that will be, and once that's that, we know we can figure out that and how we're going to mount that and make it pivot, because we are going to make it pivot. I can then work on joining these together with some shenanigans. The actual basic structure will probably be Lego. So let's go and do some more to this bad boy. Right, gun time and a bit of scary choppage. So the idea here, I've already put like a little bit of a slice in it, but what I want to do is I'm going to slice this gun off here straight through, zoop. Same here, zoop, and then I'm going to cut it off the back here as well, zoop, like that. And then that's actually the wrong side. So that will then, the idea is that will be then attached to that. So you can imagine that's not there anymore. So that's like that together. So to make a longer plasma coil. And then I've got something I've 3D printed, but that's elsewhere. And that'll go on the front as a barrel. And then that'll be the start of the cannon. That'll be the barrel. And then this bit here will have this attached to it. Like that. So there's like a big generator. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't like the fact that this skull is that way when it's going to be attached to the thing. I mean, I could I could probably mount it that way somehow. I think that's probably be the best, because I don't like that skull being the wrong way around. So yeah, it'll be mounted like that, and that'll be like the big sort of power core for it. So let's have a chop and see how we get on. I might as well keep the camera on for this. This is scary, scary brown trousers time, but I have started making, but I've got to take this nice and slow with my razor saw. It is a little bit blunt, but I'll wait for a new blade to turn up. So, nice and slow. Cut through this, desperately to get it as straight as possible. I think once we get through this bit, the plastic starts getting thinner, and it starts becoming easier to chop. Come on, I can feel it. Oh, it's biting. Slowly, slow down, Reese. Don't rush it. I'm going to get this as straight as possible. I mean, I can't sand it, but that. Let's click some of the swarf. That looks all right. That looks all right to me. That was a good chop. And so now you should be able to, that is going to go like so. So there. So what I need to do, I need to cut this one in here. So it gives me a bit of that conduit, because I've cut close to the rib there. And that gives me then a double length barrel. So, whew, brown trousers time that was, boys and girls. Brown trouser time. So let's crack on. I'm going to get these chopped up. You don't want to see me doing this. In case I go wrong, I'll end up swearing. So I shall cut back when, hopefully, this is all chopped down. Where's the other bit? There we go. All these are chopped down. Whew! Done it. Chopped, cut, and shut. That wasn't bad. A bit of sanding I've got to do. There will be a little bit of filling, but that is essentially, well, again, look at that. That's nice, isn't it? That nice big double barrel, double length plasma cannon. And I found the other bit. Now, don't judge me on this bit. This was one of the first things I've ever 3D printed, so it needs to be cleaned up a lot. And that will sit on the front like that. See if I can do it. Maybe that way is probably the best way to do it. So that, like that, and then like that. And that gives me, let's have a close-up, see? That should be that way around. But so it's kind of like a big plasma cannon end. And that will sit like that. And obviously I've got to do some spooge and greebling around there. But that is looking pretty sweet. Well pleased. Oh, I didn't breathe for about 10 minutes whilst I was doing this. Whew! Right, let's get this thing bulked out. Oh, well now. That's a big one. So, obviously after I chopped and glued the two parts of the thermic regulators, or whatever they're bloody called, plasma regulator things, I don't know. Anyway, yeah, started adding a few bits to it. Got that thing as well, the hematope reactor mounted. And then just started adding bits really, just to sort of blend it in a bit more and fill in a few holes with some plastic card and adding a few greebles and some cables. And yeah, it's ready to go. What I love about it is it's big enough to hold in your hand and actually looks a bit like a cool plasma pistol, which is very strange. Anyway, so yep, that's the main cannon. So let's see what it looks like with the rest of the model I've been making. But bloody love this. I've just got glue on this bit here, the eye that goes on here, and a few more greeblies, and some filling, obviously, and neaten it up a bit. But there you go. Very, very big gun. Love a big gun. There we are. After that little week of activity, I've got this so far. So we've got both sides on now. I don't want to move it. I've still got a long way to go. I've still got to add some kind of supports that actually link the two halves of the railway gun together. Yeah, at the moment it's literally just held on by the plasma cannon, the couplings for those. But it does move, which is quite cool. Quite happy with that. What have I got to do? There's some detailing to do, so I've got more detailing to do on the second half. Wheels, I've got to go onto the bogies. Possibly some kind of control panels along here or here, like some sensor pods as well. Bit of detailing under here, but essentially this is what it's going to look like. If I move these out of the way and literally just bear with me 1 second. Talk among yourselves. There, don't know if you can see those. That's a train on as well. So that's essentially what it's going to look like. Still a fair way to go, but you know, as I said at the start of the video, this is no way going to be a slow burn. This is going to get done. I'm going to work on it this week. So the idea for the following week, so in the third video, this should be fully built, possibly even painted, at the very least undercoated, and washing and that kind of thing going on. So yeah, it's a bit of a beast. Dear, I love it though. I do love it. It's awesome. I can't wait to get it finished and you know, get some really nice beauty shots for you guys to see. So thank you for sticking with me on this video. We will be returning to the Underhive. Don't worry, that project is still going. This has just sort of grabbed me a little bit, unfortunately. Or fortunately, judging on your perspective. But take care, guys. Thank you for watching again. Like, subscribe, share, all that shenanigans. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. Helps me out a great deal. I'm working my way up to 300 subs, which is phenomenal. Can't thank you enough. That's brilliant. That's really, really good. But yeah, definitely subscribe if you want to see this finished, and press the bell icon to get notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care. Have a good week.